Home is where the heart is, according to Tjaša Stanko.
I can say it's very convenient because it's in the middle of Slovenia and everything is near. It's quite nice, especially the old city center. I can say it's my second home here.
The 21-year-old left-back has settled in Ljubljana and is playing her second season for the former European champions Krim Mercator.
Krim is a big club with a great history and great achievements. It has two Champions League stars. It's an honor to play here, and I also think they have a great strategy to build a club again and to play again Final Four someday and win again someday.
By moving to Krim last season, the young Slovenian got the opportunity to play in the Women's ehf Champions League for the first time.
It was an honor to play such a big competition. First time I was a little bit nervous, but the team helped me, so it was nice.
And in her debut season in the Women's ehf Champions League, the rising Slovenian superstar Tjaša Stanko already made an impact as she was voted the best young player of the season.
Of course, it's an honor that I got a title, but still I need to thank to my team and my coach, because without them I could not reach that.
Even though she is playing only her second season and she's only 21 years old, Tjaša Stanko is considered to be the leader of the Slovenian champions.
I feel like one big leader of the team, but I have a responsibility to maybe sometimes do some things in the last minutes or something like that, but we work as a team and we help each other.
At the start of the season, some key players left the club, amongst others Elizabeth Obarigia, who played from 2014 to 2018 for Krim and transferred to CSM Bucuresti. Stanko, though, quickly stood up to become the new leader, and the Slovenians are aiming to be as competitive as possible and to rely on fighting spirits.
Some girls left the club and some new girls have come, but we are a strong, very well connected team. We showed really good performances until now, some good teamwork. We will see what the future holds for us. I hope I won't have a problem with injuries, and also I don't want to rush anywhere because I think I have plenty of time. I just want to improve my handball skills and also develop as a person, and I will see what future holds for me.
A young player with such straightforward thinking. For Tjaša Stanko, the future in Ljubljana looks bright.